Hello, welcome to the video. We're going to get right into it. As from the title, this is a haul. So these are some items that I got from Amazon recently, starting off with this 12-piece set of 3D nail art gels that you can use to make like the different flowers, which is really popular. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that notification bell so you don't miss another video with me. And my social media handles are going to come up. That is the TikTok and my Instagram. So these are all the colors that are included, and it's a great variety of colors. I haven't practiced a lot with these yet, but I am excited about the nail art. Next up are the set of 3 solid builder gel pots, and from Morovin, I believe that is the name. Just showing you the different sides of the box. Yeah, Morovin solid builder gel, and this was a set of 3. So here are the instructions. Just all those beautiful instructions, as well as the 3 pots. So it comes in clear, white, and pink. The next video that should be coming up next week, I did use the clear, so you will see me using it for the first time on camera in an upcoming video. And it is a learning curve, but it's kind of fun doing these 3D nails and trying to figure out what to do with them. So they're all sealed, very well sealed. And then you see me pressing it because I thought there was still a film on the top, but no, that's the actual gel itself. Like, it is solid. I have never used a product like this at all. So that's how the pink one looks. And then next coming up is the white one. And that is all 3 of them together. Like I said, though, I used the clear one and it's really fun. So to go along with all of the 3D sculpture gels that I got, I have some of these tools. So I'm just showing you very quickly what each side looks like. Some of them had double, so I do have 2 of them with the pointer. And I believe I do have 2 with this curve head as well. So we're just going through all of those. And now for the main event, I bought a lot of polishes from Nailz by Dev. So here is the first little batch. These are summertime colors, and I just really need to fill out my nail collection and just a revamp. So we're going to start off with Soak Up the Sun, and this is a typical yellow color. I really liked this yellow because it goes on very smoothly, as you will see here. It's also a really nice tone. Nailz by Dev polishes, I have noticed, are really good quality. They go on really smoothly. They color in really nicely. They're really pigmented. And then this one is Sunny D, which is your typical orange. The reason why I even got all of these nail polishes is because I was doing a revamp and clean out of the polishes that I had, and I did want to fill in some gaps. I got rid of a lot of old nail polishes and I had to revamp it. And then I was scrolling and I saw this and it just all worked out. So here we are. The next color up is Super Soco, which is like this green apple kind of color. I really like it. I've also used this in a set coming up. So far, I love these polishes from Nailz by Dev. I'm not buying any polishes for like the rest of the year. Honestly, after you see this haul, it's going to have to be very special, some type of something. Slip and Slide is our next color, which is like a cool tone blue. It's not really like a light blue, it's more like a mid-tone blue, a mid-tone pool blue, beachy blue, I'll call it. And so I just wanted to revamp my nail collection, and I wanted new inspiration because you are going to see a change in the different videos that I do. And this is kind of like a relaunch of Glamour Siren Beauty, of the Glamour Siren Nails, Glamour Siren Beauty, just me doing these press-on nail designs. So welcome. This is why we had the previous video of me how I do my nails, and the last color is Pool Party. This is like a deeper blue. So the first video, I'll put it up somewhere, was how I do my nails. This is a haul, and then we're going to get into some new designs. I just have a new outlook when it comes to nail art. You might see some trendy things. I still will do my stoning, but we just want to branch out, and sometimes we need new things. And here is how all those colors look together. I think they are absolutely gorgeous and great summertime basics. So next up, I bought her winter collection, and this is just a collection of all the winter colors, things that go with that type of year. This was packaged very well. It's a collection of 16 polishes, I believe, and we're gonna quickly go through it. Towards the end, I didn't go detailed. I apologize. So we have Half Baked, which is kind of a beigey color. It looks exactly how it says. Sugar Cookie is a little bit deeper, a little bit of a brown inside that beige. Then we have Cozy. You put a little bit of a pink mauve within that beige. That's exactly how it looks. Next up, we have Rose. Put some pink, brown, beigey, neutral there. Pumpkin Spice is exactly it. That orangey fall pumpkin spice color. Maple is kind of a brighter toned brown. This swatch, I messed it up. Terracotta has a little bit of a reddish brown to it. There you go. Cherrywood is a little bit deeper. It's more of a brown with that red. So the other one was more red toned. This one's a little more brown. This one is a straight up chocolatey toasty. I love it. There you go. Berry Babe is your perfect berry shade. Fireside is a light gray, I would describe it. Sweater Weather is a gray with blue. I don't know how to describe it, but I really like this color. Woodlands is a nice green. The grayish green muted. Wonderlust I used. Did I use it? No, I did not use it. Evergreen was that one. Healing myself. That's funny. For some reason, I didn't do individual swatches, but that's how those look. Really nice colors. And that is the full collection together. So last but not least, I believe this is her latest collection. I got the digital vibes. I bought the whole collection. It had all the colors that I pretty much needed in my revamp, so I just grabbed it when you see it. This is the inside. It is 9 colors. As you can see, it is pretty much your full basic rich colors that you would use in everyday nail art. So we have Dreamland, which is a sparkle. We have Boss Babe, I believe. No, it's not Boss Babe. Pixie Princess is this pink. Then we have Digital Diva, and that's how those look. Topper, baby blue, light pink, darker pink. Absolutely gorgeous. God, I love them. Then we have Power Up, which is the sick red. Revive Me, which is another orange but brighter. Good Game is your basic Kelly green. Boss Battle is your basic purple, which I really needed. Game Over is your basic phthalo blue. And that is how all of those look. I love it. So here are all the polished colors together. Thank you for watching, and I hope you join me on this revamp journey. And until next time, bye!